Here's interesting, very cool app called BodyTune Photo Editor. Reshape your body using different AI filters. BodyTune is a powerful body editor app with which you can easily get a slim and skinny body. Photo body reshaping has never been easier. Whether you want to slim, increase, or emphasize any area of your body, BodyTune will make it happen. You do not need anymore to sit for hours and edit body photos in some of those complex photo editors. Now, without any photo editing skills, you can slim, reshape, resize, and enlarge any part of your body to look fit, thin, and taller on any of your photos. So yeah, that's the idea. Here, perfect ways to shape body, get abs. So yeah, sometimes people might say, yeah, why do you need to go to the gym if you can just use this app and just edit out your fat and whatever. But yeah, this is still quite cool and unique app. Why unique? Because most of these kind of editing apps are just focusing on your face. There are so many like face editing apps, like face enhancers. You can remove wrinkles, dark circles, and all whiten your teeth. But it's a bit more complicated with the body tune. So then yeah, retouch, decorate, and then no payment now, and then there is free trial, and then it's only $30 per year with 3-day free trial. It's quite a cool offer. You can allow notifications, and then yeah, like I don't know, like so for example, sample photos. Let's take a look at this, and then enhance, and then you will see how it automatically enhances it. And then yeah, like you can just use this enhancer yourself. So yeah, it's quite cool, as you can see. I don't know, like so anyhow, that's the idea here. And then there are different presets. Then there is like waist enhancer, belly. So you can do all of these things. Don't overdo it. It's not like really cool to just completely lie. I don't know, maybe some people just do that. But and then anyhow, here you just have tan, where you can just add some really cool tan. So yeah, I haven't seen this. I actually like this app. You can add abs. Yeah, that's cool, because in other apps, like you can just whiten your teeth, and there are like 50 apps which would do that. But here I haven't seen an app where you can just add a tan. So yeah, quite nice. And then there are a bunch of tutorials, and overall it's quite cheap app. So definitely recommend it. Give it a try for sure.